Greetings to all. Welcome back to online class. Today we are going to see lesson 9 Freedom Struggle in Tamil Nadu. Additional questions. Okay, additional questions. That is one word answers. Okay, one word answers. Question number 1. The earliest organization to be founded in South India was dash. The earliest organization to be founded in South India was dash Madras Native Association. Madras Native Association. Question number 2. The first session of the Congress was held in. The first session of the Congress was held in dash 1885. Dash was an extremist leader. Dash was an extremist leader. Bipin Chandra Pal. Bipin Chandra Pal. Question number 4. South Indian Liberal Federation's official organ in English was Justice. South Indian Liberal Federation's official organ in English was Justice. Question number 5. VOC joined with Subramania Siva in organizing the mill workers in Thoothukudi and Tirunelveli. VOC joined with Subramania Siva in organizing the mill workers in Thoothukudi and Tirunelveli. Sixth question. Dash provided a safe haven for the revolutionaries. Pondicherry. Pondicherry provided a safe haven for the revolutionaries. Seventh question. In 1904, Neelakanta Brahmachari and others started Bharata Mata Society. In 1904, Neelakanta Brahmachari and others started Bharata Mata Society. Eighth question. Annie Besant started the newspaper known as Dash New India. Annie Besant started the newspaper known as Dash New India. Question number 9. Dash was the epicenter of the Khilafat movement. Vaniyambadi. Vaniyambadi was the epicenter of Khilafat movement. A no tax campaign took place in Dash Tanjavur. A no tax campaign took place in Tanjavur. Question number 11. Dash played a key role in the Satyagraha for temple entry in Vaikam. Periyar. Periyar played a key role in the Satyagraha for the temple entry in Vaikam. 12th question. A war is ahead, sans sword, sans bloodshed. Join this march. This song was composed by V. Ramalinganar. Okay. A war is ahead, sans sword, sans bloodshed. Join this march. This song was composed by V. Ramalinganar. 13. VOC purchased two ships known as Galia and Lao. Galia and Lao. VOC purchased two ships known as Galia and Lao. Dash was one of the prominent journals to propagate Swadeshi ideals. Dash was one of the prominent journals to propagate Swadeshi ideals. Swadeshamatran. Swadeshamatran. Dash was treated harshly in prison. V.O. Chidambaranar. V.O. Chidambaranar was treated harshly in prison. Question number 16. In 1916, Dash established the Dravidian Association Hostel. In 1916, C. Nadesanar established the Dravidian Association Hostel. 17. Dash of Justice Party became the first chief minister in 1920. Became the first chief minister in 1920. A. Subbarayulu. A. Subbarayulu. Question number 18. After the 1923 elections, Raja of Panagal of the Justice Party formed the ministry. After the 1923 elections, Dash of the Justice Party formed the ministry. Raja of Panagal. Okay. 19th question. On 6th April, Hartal was organized to protest against the Rowlatt Act. On 6th April, Hartal was organized to protest against the Rowlatt Act. Question number 20. To restore the Caliph, the Khilafat movement was started. To restore the Caliph, the Dash was started. Answer Khilafat movement. Question number 21. In Tamil Nadu, Khilafat Day was observed on 17th April 1920. In Tamil Nadu, Khilafat Day was observed on 17th April 1920. Question number 22. Rukmani Lakshmipati was the first woman to pay penalty for violation of salt laws. Rukmani Lakshmipati was the first woman to pay penalty for violation of salt laws. Question number 23. The Government of India Act of 1935 introduced dash. The Government of India Act of 1935 introduced provincial autonomy. Provincial autonomy. Question number 24. Khilafat Day meeting was presided over by Maulana Shaukat Ali. Khilafat Day meeting was presided over by Maulana Shaukat Ali. Question number 25. The second session of the International Congress was held in Calcutta in 1886. Second session of the International Congress was held in Calcutta in 1886. 26. After the First World War, the Caliph of Turkey was humiliated. After the First World War, the Caliph of Turkey was humiliated. Question number 27. Annie Besant was the leader of the Theosophical Society. Annie Besant was the leader of the Theosophical Society. 28. Annie Besant started the newspapers New India and Commonweal. Annie Besant started the newspapers New India and Commonweal. 29. Rajaji introduced dash as a compulsory subject in schools. Rajaji introduced dash as a compulsory subject in schools. Hindi. Hindi is the answer. Question number 30. Tirupur Kumaran was hailed as Kodikatha Kumaran. Tirupur Kumaran was hailed as Kodikatha Kumaran. Kodikatha Kumaran. In dash, VOC led a strike in coral mills in the year 1908. In the year 1908, VOC led a strike in the coral mills. 32. Tamil Nadu was the forefront of civil disobedience movement. Tamil Nadu was in the forefront of the civil disobedience movement. 33. The visit of Prince of Wales, the visit of dash Prince of Wales was boycotted on 13th January 1922. Visit of Prince of Wales was boycotted on 13th January 1922. 34. Gandhiji gave a slogan, do or die. Gandhiji gave a slogan, do or die. 35. On 18th March 1919, Gandhiji addressed a meeting on Marina Beach. On 18th March 1919, Gandhiji addressed a meeting on Marina Beach. 36. The starting of the trade unions in Madras was pioneered by B.P. Wadia. The starting of trade unions in Madras was pioneered by B.P. Wadia. Dash was one of the revolutionary newspapers, Suryodayam. Suryodayam was one of the revolutionary newspapers. SLF, South Indian Liberal Federation, was formed to promote the interest of the non-Brahmins. SLF was formed to promote the interest of the dash non-Brahmins. The Swadeshi movement had its deep impact in dash Tamil Nadu. The Swadeshi movement had its deep impact in dash Tamil Nadu. Gandhiji launched the civil disobedience movement in 1930. Gandhiji launched the civil disobedience movement in 1930. 41. In Tamil Nadu, the president of the Simon Boycott Propaganda Committee was Satyamurthy. In Tamil Nadu, the president of the Simon Boycott Propaganda Committee was dash Satyamurthy. The first secretary of the Madras Mahajana Sabha. The first secretary of Madras Mahajana Sabha was P. Anandacharlu. P. Anandacharlu. 43. Self-respect movement was started by E.V. Ramaswamy. E.V. Ramaswamy. 44. Vanchinathan killed Collector Ash at Maniachi. Vanchinathan killed Collector Ash at Maniyachi. 45. When Bharati escaped to Pondicherry, it was under dash French rule. When Bharati escaped to Pondicherry, it was under the French rule. SILF, South Indian Liberal Federation, was popularly known as dash Justice Party. South Indian Liberal Federation was popularly known as Justice Party. Kamaraj served as Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for 9 years. For 9 years. Kamaraj served as Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for dash years, 9 years. 48. Bharat Ratna was awarded to Rajaji in 1955. Okay, Bharat Ratna was awarded to Rajaji in the year 1955. 49. Bharati was the editor of the Tamil Weekly India. Bharati was the editor of the Tamil Weekly India. Periyar transformed the Justice Party into Dravidar Kalagam. Periyar transformed the Justice Party into dash Dravidar Kalagam. Okay. Now we will see prominent nationalists of Tamil Nadu in the moderate phase. Okay. Prominent nationalists of Tamil Nadu in the moderate phase. That is in page number 107. 107. Okay. The early nationalists believed in constitutional methods. Early nationalists believed in constitutional methods. They conducted hall meetings. Okay, they conducted hall meetings and deliberating, that is discussing. Deliberating means discussing the problems of the country in English language. Okay, they conducted hall meetings and deliberating the problems of the country in English language. Okay, when Bengal was partitioned, that is in the year 1905, we know partition of Bengal 1905. So, in the same year, that is in 1905, Tilak and other leaders followed popular methods. Okay, popular methods. That is mass public meetings. And used vernacular languages, that is a language spoken in particular region. Okay, we can say regional language, vernacular languages, to address the people, to give speech to the people. Okay, followed popular methods, that is the mass public meeting, and used these regional languages to give speech to the people. The early nationalists are known as moderates. The early nationalists are known as moderates. You know, the Indian National Congress, it was split into two. Okay, split into two, moderates as well as extremists. The moderates and the extremists decided to expel the British people from our Indian soil. But moderates followed peaceful methods. These extremists followed violation. Okay, violation. You know that. So, the early nationalists are known as moderates. The famous Tamil moderates of Tamil Nadu. Okay, the famous Tamil moderates of Tamil Nadu were V.S. Srinivasa Sastry, V.S. Srinivasa Sastry, P.S. Sivaswamy, P.S. Sivaswamy, V. Krishnaswamy, V. Krishnaswamy, T.R. Venkat Ramanar, G.A. Nadesan, T.M. Madhavarao and Subramaniar. Okay, famous moderates of Tamil Nadu: V.S. Srinivasa Sastry, P.S. Sivaswamy, V. Krishnaswamy, T.R. Venkat Ramanar, G.A. Nadesan, T.M. Madhavarao and S. Subramanianar. Okay, next, that is in page number 110. 110. Agitation for a removal of Nehru statue. Agitation for a removal of Nehru statue. That is in the year 1927. 1927. James Neal. Okay, James Neal. He was from Madras Fusiliers. Here Fusiliers means infantrymen with firearms. Infantrymen with firearms. That is துப்பாக்கி ஏந்திய காலாட்படை. Okay, James Neil, he was from Madras Fusiliers. You know what is the meaning of Fusiliers? In the 1857 Sipai Mutiny, Kanpur massacre occurred. Okay, in this 1857 Sipai Mutiny, one of the important event, that is Kanpur massacre. In this Kanpur massacre, many English women and children were killed. Okay, English women and children were killed. So Neil was brutal in wreaking vengeance. Okay, wreaking vengeance. Later, Neil was killed by an Indian sepoy. Neil was killed by an Indian sepoy. A statue was erected for him at Mount Road, Madras. Okay, a statue was erected for him at Mount Road, Madras. The nationalist saw this an insult to the Indians. Is an insult to the Indians. So, the nationalists organized many demonstrations in Madras. Demonstrations are Patangal. Protesters came from all over the Madras presidency. Okay, many people, those opposed, that is, they are from Madras presidency. These protesters were led by S.N. Somayajulu. These protesters were led by S.N. Somayajulu of Tirunelveli. Many were arrested and imprisoned. Okay, many people were arrested and put them in prison. Gandhiji visited Madras and supported the agitation. Okay, supported the agitation. Finally, the statue was moved to Madras Museum. Finally, the statue was moved to Madras Museum. That is in the year 1937. That is in the year 1937. Okay, children. Now, this is the time for studying timeline. Okay, from this lesson, 2 questions. I took 2 questions. Okay, and you know what is timeline? Okay, children, the incidents or events in between 2 years. And those who saw that video, already one video was there, refer that video also. Today 2 questions, that is first question 1885 to 1920 and the second question is 1920 to 1950. First of all, first question 1885 to 1920. First you have to write scale, that is 1 unit is equal to 5 years. 1 unit is equal to 5 years. Here regarding this question, that is 1885 to 1920, totally 5 incidents. Okay, 5 incidents enough for each question. So 1885 first session of Indian National Congress. 1885 first session of Indian National Congress. Then 1891 publishing of Swadeshamitran. 1904 formation of Bharata Mata Society. 1910 Press Act. 1920 Khilafat Day. 1920. So 1885 first session of International Congress, 1891 publishing of Swadeshamitran, 1904 formation of Bharata Mata Society, 1910 Press Act and 1920 Khilafat Day. Okay, next question 1920 to 1950. 1920 to 1950. Here also the scale 1 unit is equal to 5 years. 1 unit is equal to 5 years. Here 1922 visit of Prince of Wales. 1927 formation of Simon Commission. 1930 Salt Satyagraha. Okay, Salt Satyagraha. 1942 Quit India Movement. 1947 India got independence. India won independence. Okay, here also 5 incidents. That is the question 1920 to 1950. 1922 visit of Prince of Wales. 1927 formation of Simon Commission. 1930 Salt Satyagraha. 1942 Quit India Movement. 1947 India won independence. Okay, with this I finish today's session, lesson over, and in the next session we will see the next lesson. Okay, children, prepare well for the exams. Okay, and and study well. Okay, and study well. Okay, children, bye. See you.